Hello everybody, it's Greg here from Ragosa. Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful start of the week. Yeah, so today is the entry for our poor man's covered call, our synthetic farm, corn farm, the one lot there. We're just watching the opening prints. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope to earn your like and subscription today. Let's dive in a bit more. Let's just kind of look at the broad market, what's all going on. S&Ps are opening on the downside. VIX is up a little bit. I mean, thankfully it's back above 15. But yeah. VVIX is at 90. Oil is up marginally. What else is important for us right now? Treasury is a bit. Let's look at SPY. Producer products down, discretionary down, communications down. Is everything down? Tech is up. Equal weight is down. We got a little bit of a broader market sell-off rotating into tech. Cool. All right, so corn decided to tick up on us here. Or 52,000 shares. Let's see what our 5-minute chart's at. How much rolling pressure can we expect today? Okay, so net change on Friday. Overall, 10,000 more contracts entered the market. More contracts entered into December than left September this time. Definitely rolling activity into September, I would say. A lot of exchange for product or for physicals out in September. A lot of exchange traded settlements. Interesting. Let's see what some options are. Just looking at the new crop options right now, kind of seeing what's out there. Not so much. Alright, let's see what the We'll just take in a little bit of time, pull up any kind of change in Brazil. Let's see how Mississippi changed. So we're almost at 5 feet. At 5 feet, the barges can have more capacity going down the Mississippi, which should free up storage off farm, which should create some more demand for corn, I should think, if I'm working this through my head correctly. Why are you not? Oh, they updated their website. That's what happened. Okay. Alright, that's still the old data. 14th. Let's take a look at some weather systems. Let's look at the wind. If any of you guys do any sailing, you'll be able to kind of get a feel for what's going on. Looking at those wind charts here, that's going to be a storm up in that system there. This is the storm that's coming up. We can check out the water content of the clouds here. These are coming together. Doesn't look like there's much. The forecast that we saw here for the Mississippi River. Where was that? That guy. We're looking for a peak on Friday. And it's starting to come up on Monday. So what are they saying? Doesn't seem like so much. This area in here. Let's see how Brazil's doing. Got themselves a storm off the coast. But it may not come up. Maybe not. I'm still learning the wind stuff. Okay. So let's see here. 58,000. Does it look like it's trending down? I don't know. Here, while we're at this, let's just look at what the volatility is really compressed in equities. Okay. I'm thinking maybe we're looking at 16 points of spread between December and March. March outpaced it. I'm still not fully convinced if I want to put my long into March. I know that they should be correlated, but in the event there is a limit up day, the limit up on the contracts changed from 30 cents to 60. Here, I'll show you. Oh, right, it's 30 cents. Okay. I misread to calendar spreads. Alright, so we're still 30. So 30 cents out puts me 14. Right on the edge of a limit up day. If I take the 20 delta. Okay. Buy a little bit more. Buy a little more delta, perhaps. Oh, that could be a good idea. Okay, still holding 16 on that. Okay. For argument's sake, what is the zebra pricing? Tempting, but okay, if we go U, then let's see what we can potentially roll out to. 505. Still pricing 4 across. Probably rolled 520. Then where's December, November? $505. It's not much more. It's only 2 points more over. And could potentially roll up to 530. It's 21. Ivy 21.6. 21.2. Yeah. 2-point Ivy spread. It's gonna get eaten in the bid ask. Let's humor myself. What are we looking like here? 19.4. So it's not that it's life's starting to come into that. Oh, it took a big jump. Some size is starting to come into the market. Look at some of those prints. Okay, do we want to catch this? I think so. I think that seems. Let's look at what our oh, that works so nicely on the, there we go. That makes the math so nice. It works out. Okay. It's really going on a bit of a run. We're gonna take you, let's take you out our debit here. Let's go work the order. Let's get in. We'll have to go 26 1/8.
Order filled.
We're in on that. Let's get our let's go get our short in. Alright, let's take it right at the mid. Let's try to get 7 for it. How's overall corn pricing right now? We're on a bit of a down. We'll move you down a bit. But really, if we can get you for 7, I'd like to get you for 7. give it a little bit of time. Let's be a little patient. Looks like corn is catching a bit of a bid, so that's nice. Okay, let's I was bad with updating my sheet. Kind of took a little bit of a
Water-filled.
little summer holiday. There we go. We're in. So that was 21 and a half. 21.3. That doesn't seem so bad. Okay, we're just updating the sheet. Oh, what's 1 divided by 8? I should know that. All right, so we're in on corn. May have gotten a bit of a not the best. I don't know. Was it a good entry? Was it a bad entry? Hard to tell. Who knows? What I do know is that my waiting around was like 10, 13 points ago. 10, 12, 13 points. Oof. A lot happens. Whatever. Execution paralysis, analysis paralysis. Not having enough conviction. I don't know. I had conviction today. Because I ran out of time. What can I tell you? 475. Oh, I should make a mention. Okay, cool. All right. We are in on corn. Spot roughly 485, we're going to call it. I think it's probably more 485 and a quarter. Let's put that down. Yeah. Actually, let's look. 60. Let's call this 45 and a half. Don't really know where we could have gotten in at 486. All right. Well, anyhow, we'll just let that cook and see how she does. It's catching a bit of a bid here. Yeah, well, what is pricing showing us at? 45 and a quarter, 46, and we're already into green. I'll take that. I'll take that. Cool. Now you're watching in real time. Friction. We're just gonna be out a little bit. We're basically just kind of out commissions right now. So, you know, I think that was half decent. Came in just after, not that we were paying that much of attention, but a little bit of a liquidity bump, a little bit of higher volume. This was really the time we're looking to get in anyways. Just after the algorithmic you know, early morning push, saw volume start to drop off. I would call this a good entry. So we are in. I can show you on this here. We're in on the 475 long in November, and we're short on the 505 in September. Both these are the December underlying future. Right now the combo's printing 19 and a half. Oh, I forgot to. What were we? I would call that 19 point. So the combo is printing up for us. It's saying 19 and a quarter. We effectively got in at 19 and an eighth. So we did not do so great compared to what it's trading at right now. I mean, we're up slightly. We're up an eighth. But yeah, we're losing that to commissions. But the entry is lower than the bid. And this being, there we go. Now it's even. You know what? Can't watch this thing forever. We're in. Farm is running. Only time will tell whether this was good or bad. We'll find out. We are in the Z game. All right. Thank you everybody for joining me this morning. And let's see how this thing progresses. All right. Have a great rest of the week and happy trading. Bye-bye.